Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRXC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis several times in the past, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And these are definitely going to play into today's annotation or these updates. But the first thing I'm going to do is actually adjust this level of support down to that area right there at, what is that? Let's just make it $2. Make it the nice round number of $2. $2 is definitely a very important level because if I add a little bit more context here. Oh, I didn't realize it was... Alrighty, okay, well, you get the idea here. $2 is very important because the price has literally not been down around this area of the chart for literally weeks upon weeks now. Just to add in a little bit more context. Yeah, so weeks upon weeks, the price has not been down around the area. So in other words, if the price were to drop down below the $2 mark, that would literally be putting it at multi-month lows that haven't been seen for a very, very long time. However, to give credit where credit's due, and I'm going to zoom back in here, the price is doing a good job of maintaining above that very important level of support. So it continues to go sideways and just it's trying to channel out. It's trying to bottom out. But as of right now, it's, there's no such thing as a guarantee. So nobody can say that the price is guaranteed to break to the downside. But there is no doubt about it that right now the price is flirting with a potential breakdown of $2, which, as I've already shown, would put it at some historic areas that haven't been seen for quite a while. But also, to give full credit where credit's due, so far so good. The price is, once again, maintaining above that level like it's done several times in the past. Now, in the event the price does get a bounce to the upside, let's talk about a couple of areas of resistance real quick. The initial area of resistance is going to be that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. You can see right here a whole bunch of times today, that is right where the price essentially was rejected back down. In the event the price can push up through that purple line, though, the next key level to keep an eye on would be up there right around the $2.11 mark. But before you start talking about doing battle with 211, first hurdle is getting up above that purple line there. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, the bulls really going to need to show up tomorrow to ensure that the $2 level does not fail. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.